Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to sign into your eBay account. First of all, open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in ebay.com and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official website of eBay. Now you'll be able to see the sign in option at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on the sign in option. Now you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Over here guys, you just need to enter your email address or username and hit on continue option. And over here enter the correct password. And once you click on sign in option, you'll be easily access your account. If you want to see your password, just click on the check bar. In case if you forgot your password, just click on reset password to reset your password and hit the sign in option. See guys, you have been successfully logged into your account. That's how you can log into your eBay account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.